Hi viewers, today I am here with another cake recipe, chocolate flavored carrot cake. It's very delicious. Kids are going to love this because of its multicolored look. So let's begin. In a large mixing bowl, I am adding 100 grams of salted butter. If you want, you can use unsalted butter. Anyway, the flavor will get compensated because we are using enough sugar into this. Right now I am using just half cup of sugar. Using a hand mixer, mix it really well. Combine well until it becomes a smooth paste of butter. So butter and sugar mixed well. Breaking 4 large eggs into this, which is in room temperature. Beat this well to get a smooth and frothy texture. Adding remaining portion of sugar, beating this once again. So the egg mixture is ready. This is the correct consistency what we require. Now we need to add all the dry ingredients into this. We need half cup of wheat flour and half cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Along with this, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve this using a strainer so that baking soda, baking powder and all will get equally distributed. Mix well. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And the key ingredient, grated carrot. Here I have used 1 medium-sized carrot for this. Mixing this once again. So our cake batter is ready. To give nice chocolate flavor for this cake, I am using 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Mixing with 4 tablespoons of cake batter. So chocolate batter is ready. Here I have a silicone mold. I'm going to grease this with some butter. Pouring chocolate flavored cake batter. On the top of this, plain carrot cake batter. So this is all set to go inside the oven. Oven has been preheating since the last 10 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Now we need to bake this for 25 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. You can check this after 20 minutes. If the cake is not properly cooked, bake this for a few more minutes. So here cake is ready. This is properly cooked. Let this rest for 5 more minutes. After that we can demold it. Allow this to cool down for 10 more minutes. After that we can cut and serve this. So our chocolatey carrot cake is ready to serve. Look at this. The color is so beautiful and tempting. We can say it as a healthy carrot cake because we used wheat flour into this. To make it even more healthier, you can use brown sugar instead of white sugar. Kids are going to love this. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.